What's up, guys? It's March 8th, 2024. Pretty nice day. Bears got a few legs down. And then, yeah, I think the context was really cool for today because, I don't know, I was just watching from the sidelines. I'm just chilling. I'm going to start trading again sometime next week, I think. We're going to go over the first 6 bars of the day, the leg 1, leg 2 moves, and then where we are in the market cycle. The reason I make these videos is because it helps me think out. It's kind of like my end of the day review, and I want to talk to you guys, see what you guys are doing. These are the things I kind of wish I knew right away. I study price action from the Brooks perspective. I've been doing that for about a year and 3 months now. I've been training for about 2 years and some change. So yeah, just go over the day. Try and keep it short. I don't want to waste too many people's times. Bar 1. So we have a gap up with bar 1. That's good for the bulls. That's continuation. Right away we're breaking above yesterday's high. That's this red line is yesterday's high. This red line is yesterday's low. This blue line is a projected move of yesterday's high. So since the market is breaking out of yesterday's range, I was going for a projected move. This would be my target for the bulls. Bulls start trending early in the morning for about an hour, and then they pull back into the EMA. It'd be nicer if bulls trended for about 2 hours, but they ended up pulling back into the EMA. So first 6 bars of the day are bullish. We have a pullback bar for bar 2. Not really good follow through above the yesterday's high. It would be better if there was a bull close, but it's the minimum bulls need. Bar 3, 4, and 5 are all bull bars. Bar 5 kind of looks like a pause bar. It didn't really break out. It has a lot of overlap. And bar 6 has less overlap and starts to break out of the range right here. Bar 7 and 8 is continuation, and then the market goes sideways. This kind of is parabolic. Sometimes in the morning, 50% of the time in the morning, the market can be breaking out, or it could be racing to support or resistance. In this case, it looks like it was racing to support, racing to resistance. This is interesting because where it ended right here is just above the 50% level of the projected move range. So I said that so funny. Hold on. So this is the range, yesterday's high, and yesterday's low, and it's a breakout. This is the projected move up here, but 50% of what is I don't know why it's going like that. Okay, there we go. This is being weird. Okay, so this line. So you see what I mean? It's failing around the 50% level. So this blue line, this middle line is 50% of this, and that range, and it's failing. So I thought that was interesting. And then it becomes a reversal above yesterday's high. Bar 19 being a strong gap bar. If the bulls are strong enough, they would have bought the first gap bar under the EMA after a strong trend. However, no one bought. They did try and buy, but it ended up becoming a pullback. Here is a pullback right there. And they go for a leg 2 move, a bar 20, and then that starts. Bar 21 is a pullback because it's an opposite bar, and that starts the channel phase. So we have the breakout. First pullback is the channel phase, and then they go for a few legs down. The market trends lower under the EMA. Look here, pull back into the EMA and it sells for another 2 legs down, and this becomes a range bound environment. We can count like leg 1, pull back leg 2, or we count leg 1, pull back leg 2, and that's the second leg trap within a range. And then bulls get their legs up here. We sold off into yesterday's low, which becomes support. Market does try and go lower here, but it reverses. So now we have a reversal above yesterday's high, reversal above yesterday's low. This could look like an outside bar on the daily chart. That'd be interesting to see whoa, that looks nasty. That looks not good for the bears. I mean, not good for the bulls. Closed down here, so it popped up. This is the wick, and then this would be the body of the candle. So what we just saw on the daily, this is the body, and this is the wick, like that, something like that. Yeah, market's range bound here, a lot of overlap. So the 2 leg moves we got today. Oh my gosh, I butchered that. Here's a leg 1, leg 2 move. That was met. This is a pullback. If you want to go for, we can do it this way too. Oh, I see what I did wrong. Okay. That was met, so if we go from here to here, first pullback, this is a bull flag, right, because it pulls back, so this is a steep channel line break right here. So that channel, see that wick right here, that creates a bull flag. You can buy it for a breakout and the measured move is met. The market goes sideways. Bears, it's really hard to count legs and ranges, but here's a leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3, and then I think bulls got trapped right here because see this tick? That shows that bar 18 traded above the high of bar 17, so it went one tick above, and then they were trapped. They never really got their exit, they never got their break even, so they had to hit out their position. So bulls were selling and bears were selling, and that created a gap bar with bar 19. And then this creates a spike in channel phase. Here, first pullback, that's met. Double bottom, market goes sideways above the higher time frame EMA, and that's also a 50% level of yesterday's range, and it's starting to act as support for about 30 minutes ish. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, about like maybe like 50 minutes. Market goes sideways on the EMA, pulls back, the blue EMA catches up, and the market sells. The blue EMA is acting as resistance, and they get their leg 2 move. Here's a leg 1, maybe like here, pull back, that's met. That's also met. Man, really nice move today. And even if you didn't catch that move, you can catch this leg 1, leg 2 move. You would get trapped right there actually, so you have to hit out early. What about from this bar, the biggest bar? Yeah, so sometimes you could just do the 2 biggest bars or the nicest looking bar. And then yeah, bulls get their leg 1, leg 2 move here. I was trying to move my water bottle, it was close to my face. If you guys heard that in the background. There's a leg 1, leg 2 move right there. Get a double top at the previous breakdown level. The previous breakdown level was also acting as support, which was yesterday's 50% level. So a lot of interaction within the 50% level. You can get short here for it. You can get short again for a test of the lows. Here's a double top. Here's also leg 1, leg 2, leg 3. Leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3. Asymmetrical, wedge bottom, closing on support. Pretty good day. Lots of legs you guys could trade. Where are we in the market cycle? So on the 5-minute market cycle, we have a breakout, goes sideways. When the price goes sideways, it kind of resets. The market cycle, we break out channel, leg 1, look, leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back. This is a pretty complex leg. You go like leg 3 and leg 4, or you can go leg 1, leg 2, trap, leg 1, pull back, leg 2, leg 1, pull back, leg 2. So this is the channel phase, and then it goes range bound. So that's the complete market cycle within the 5-minute time frame. But where are we within a bigger time frame market cycle perspective? We're range bound. Here we are kind of channeling. We had the breakout down here, and we've been channeling for a few months now, since November, and we are in March now. So that's a few months. Channel, look. We're at the top of this channel, and it looks like the market's starting to fail. Right there, you guys see that? So that's not the best looking thing for the bulls. Yeah, I don't know, that doesn't look too good, but we'll see what happens. That could be a breakout pullback, but I don't think that is. We're at the top of the channel. Every time we've come to the top of this channel, we've sold off. So look, sell. Not too much of a sell, but then we start to pull back, and now we gapped up. So hope you guys had a good weekend. Hope you guys are studying. Let me know what you guys think of these videos, if they're helping, what you guys want to hear. I'm reading the comments, trying to make sure I hit them up. I post these videos every next day, so it's 1 day late. That way I have some time to edit it and record it in a thoughtful way. I appreciate all the support and all the new followers. I am still learning how to trade price action. I trade on a live account. I am taking a break. It's a live account, but it's a funded live account, and I get them and then I blow them up. So I haven't got a payout, but I'm trading live. That's where I'm at in my trading. I'm trying to make sure everyone knows where I'm at in my trading before the channel gets any bigger and people start calling blah blah blahs. So yeah, I am trading live. I haven't got a payout because I blow up a lot. So see what happens. Have a good weekend. I hope you guys had a good weekend. I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.